Hello class and welcome. My name is Casey Fisher and today I'm going to be discussing Pakistani artist Rashid Rana. A little background on Rashid. He was born in Lahore, Pakistan in 1968. Lahore is the capital of Pakistan and one of the wealthiest cities. His family wanted him to be a doctor or a lawyer, something along those lines, but instead he pursued his passion in art. He attended the National College of Art in Lahore, and he has traveled around the world. Rana uses several different mediums for his art, including abstractions on canvas, installation art, photography, video performances, billboards, and collages. Rana strayed away from his traditional training in painting and sculpture and moved to media art such as video, film, and digital photography. One of Rana's most esteemed works is titled The Veil Series. The Veil series is displayed today in the Saatchi Gallery. This series was done in 2004 and consists of Veil 1, 2, and Veil 3. When you first look at these pieces, you see a woman with a veil or burqa. But as you look closer, you may notice that these images are composed of pornographic images. So here you see Veil 1, here is Veil 2, and here is Veil 3. On this slide, I included a little bit more of a close-up so you could see that these tiny little mosaic-looking tiles are actually pornographic images. The images are pieced together to look like mosaic. Rana is obviously trying to show the divide between Eastern and Western culture in women. These images are a representation of the differences in women's sexuality in different parts of the world. Some say that Veil 1, 2, and 3 are representations of how women in all societies are oppressed in one way or another, whether that be having to expose their body or having to cover up their body. Some would argue, however, that Rana was trying to depict how Muslim men see Muslim women, and that if a woman was not fully covered, it is extremely disrespectful and she may be viewed as a whore. At the end of the day, no matter what message Rana was trying to portray, he was successful in that he created a thought-provoking piece and one of his most famous works. Here is a slide of references if you want to check out the artist more, and thank you for tuning in to my presentation.